Okay, so here's the printer. This is our control panel. Tells us where everything is, what it's doing. Got a menu in there. We can make all kinds of adjustments. The speed is at 55%. The nozzle, which is where the filament's actually coming out of right there, is at 220 degrees Celsius. The bed, this part, is 60 degrees Celsius. The fan right here is running at 100%. This filament needs the fan, or other than that it's going to stay hot too long. Oh, we got to go back into it. And then the flow is how much filament are we pushing through there at one time. I've got it at 110%. And that's simply because I haven't gotten everything matched up yet. And this baby step Z, I can actually take and make this go down 1/10 of a millimeter or up 1/10 of a millimeter at a time to fine tune it a little bit. And then it went back to what it was. This bed is a heated bed. It's got wires at the back corner over there and a belt that moves it back and forth like you see. The motor that controls that is back there. This is where most of the money shot happens. This, like I said, is where our heated end is. Our filament comes into it from here. And the little red part you see down in there actually gets hot. And then it pushes it out right down there. That's actually depositing material onto the item. This piece also moves back and forth on a belt controlled by this motor, and it also goes up and down on this screw that is controlled by a motor down here. And our camera that you saw on the website is over here, and this will go all the way up to the top of this apparently. I've never had it go this high. And right now our filament is mounted up here, and it just pulls this wire string off, and down in here, that little brass wheel you see in there, let's see if I can get my finger into it, there it is. That little brass wheel right there is knurled, so it grabs it and it'll push the filament all the way through this line back around into the hot end. Everything's got wheels to keep it rolling straight, and the wheels are beveled so it fits down in these slots good. There's wheels here, top and bottom, all the way around on both sides, and that's what keeps it going up and down. This piece is simply a pulley. There. Just simply a pulley, and it goes back and forth. And this space gray that I printed, a little cover because it'd be easy to get my hands in there. I don't think that'd be too cool, or get my hair on my arms or something caught. I don't think that'd be too cool. So I'll put that back in there, it'll snap. And I'm going to take this back out in the pickup with me. And then I'm going to put it up against my interior and take a picture of it, and I'll show it to you when I get there.